This is exactly how I felt before I manifested my SP. If you need a sign that your SP is conforming, this is your sign. I know what it's like to do hundreds of techniques every single day, all the affirmations, meditations, journaling, the whisper method. Honestly, all of those work, but they can be overwhelming. I remember when I was doing all of that, when I was manifesting my SP at the beginning, and I saw some movements, but things were still slow moving. But my SP finally conformed when I just decided that he would. And the feeling I felt before he came in was total peace and calm. And I know you've probably heard about this before, but it's just that feeling of, I know it's going to happen. And whatever is being shown in my 3D right now doesn't matter because it can change. And what I'm experiencing is just temporary. So why should I worry? Why should I keep focusing on what I don't want? The more calm and relaxed I felt, the more I felt tapped into that knowing. And I know I'm not the only one who feels this way. A lot of people inside my course become magnetic, which you should totally join. It's on sale right now. All of them felt the same way. They just felt like this is something that is definitely going to happen. And they didn't worry about circumstances. So if you're manifesting an SP, relax. They will come. All you have to do is live your life, feel joy, feel abundance and gratitude every day, and there is no way that you will not get your desires. If you need support, definitely join Become Magnetic. There is access to community chat in there where you get to share your experience, share your journey, and we're always here to hype you up. All right, let me know if you have any questions, ask them in the comments below. Follow for more, and I'll see you next time.